A strange rock that is unlike any other in our solar system can be found buried deep within the asteroid belt, which sits between Mars and Jupiter. The asteroid 16 Psyche has been a source of consternation for researchers ever since it was found in 1852 by the Italian astronomer Annibale de Gasparis. But developments in technology in recent years have made it possible for us to have a better look at this mysterious object, and the results of that examination are simply remarkable. This asteroid will be explored for the very first time ever by the NASA Psyche mission, which is scheduled to take off in 2022. Over the course of more than a year, the spacecraft will do in-depth research on the planet 16 Psyche, employing a variety of scientific instruments to explore its mysteries. So, what is it about 16 Psyche that makes it so unique? To begin, practically the entire thing is constructed out of metal. That's true, this asteroid is thought to be the exposed core of a planet that has been extinct for a very long time. Theoretically, a Mars-sized body crashed with 16 Psyche in the early stages of the formation of our solar system, removing its rocky exterior and exposing its metal core. This is what the scientists believe happened. But that's not the end of it. 16 There is also the theory that Psyche contains significant quantities of valuable metals such as gold and platinum. In point of fact, it has been calculated that the asteroid is one of the most valuable objects in the solar system due to the presence of these precious metals, which are believed to be worth over $10,000 quadrillion. There is a possibility that if NASA were to successfully capture and mine the asteroid 16 Psyche, the money that would be generated from the asteroid's precious metals may make every person on Earth a millionaire. To mine an asteroid and transport its resources back to Earth would be a very tough and expensive endeavor. However, this is still just a theory. In reality, the process would be much more complicated and difficult than it is described here. At this time, the necessary technology to pull off such an achievement is not readily available, and the associated costs would be extremely significant. In addition to this, it would give rise to a plethora of moral and legal concerns, such as the question of who would own the rights to the resources and how they would be parceled out. On the other hand, the opportunities for mining an asteroid such as 16 Psyche are virtually limitless. The precious metals that are contained in there have the potential to completely transform our economy and the world as we know it. It has the potential to be a paradigm shift for the space industry as well, allowing us to establish space mining as a viable and successful industry. The objective of the Psyche mission is not simply to locate useful resources, rather, it is to get an understanding of the processes that led to the birth and development of our solar system. Learning more about how planets are formed and gaining insight into the processes that shaped the early solar system can both be accomplished through the study of 16 Psyche. The information that is gathered by the Psyche mission will also be essential in assisting us in better comprehending the possibility of like objects existing in other star systems. More than 3 years will pass before the spacecraft reaches its destination, the asteroid 16 Psyche, which is scheduled to be reached in the year 2026. After that, it will spend more than a year conducting research on the asteroid before making its way back to Earth with important data and samples. In addition to enhancing our knowledge of the early solar system, the results of this mission will also make possible new avenues for the exploration of space and the usage of its resources. The Psyche mission is a joint effort between the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, Arizona State University, ASU, and a group of international partners. In order to gain a comprehensive understanding of the comet or asteroid, the spacecraft will do both remote sensing and measurements on site. Additionally, it will be outfitted with a high-resolution camera so that it may take breathtaking pictures of the surface of the asteroid. The information that is gathered during the Psyche mission will not only assist us in comprehending the asteroid, but it will also provide us with a greater comprehension of the process by which planets are formed and the possibility that our solar system contains important resources. This mission marks the beginning of a new era in space exploration and has the potential to have a significant impact not just on our economy but also on our society. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to our channel.